Who can resist a nice cold scoop of ice cream or two on a hot day? That's especially the case if you're visiting Guangfu Sugar Factory in eastern Taiwan's Hualien County. Visitors flock from all over Taiwan for the ice cream. One man says he comes here for a treat every time he visits Hualien. Here, ice cream sales rake in over 40 million new Taiwan dollars every year for the state-owned Taiwan Sugar Corporation. That's almost 1.3 million US dollars. But Taiwan Sugar isn't the only public company cashing in on confectionery. Taiwan Power Corporation, which usually supplies electricity, has made a name for itself selling popsicles. Taipower sells regional flavors in various parts of the country like Taichung, Yilan, and Penghu. One woman says the popsicles are packed with flavor. Now, you wouldn't think government-run corporations would excel at making cold desserts, but here we are. Don't be surprised if you hear that Taiwan's post office makes a killer frozen yogurt one day. Leslie Liao, RTI News.